Are you dreaming of AI diagnosing your vehicles? Then stay tuned. In this video, I will show you the AI integration we built into SOVD Explorer. Hello, I'm David Kruse. Every day we see how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing software engineering. By combining AI with our tool chains and domain knowledge, we aim to unlock new possibilities for you. In this video, I will demonstrate you how you can use AI to diagnose systems faster and more intuitively with the SOVD Explorer, while staying safe and in complete control. Now let's look at how it works. The Model Context Protocol, short MCP, is a protocol that connects AI chat clients to MCP servers. The SOVD Explorer hosts an MCP server on a local port. You can connect your preferred AI agent, such as Claude Code or GitHub Copilot, to the SOVD Explorer simply by entering the server's URL. You can think of this MCP server as the interface for AI agents to use traditional programs. Just like the SOVD Explorer makes it easy for humans to explore and interact with SOVD servers, the new MCP server makes it easy for AI to work with SOVD. Let's open the SOVD Explorer and connect with our vehicle simulation. In the top right corner, there's the new AI button. Here we find the URL under which the MCP server is available. For connecting it with Visual Studio Code, we can press this button, which automatically opens VS Code and lets us install the server. We install it globally, so it's available anywhere we start VS Code. Before starting the server, let's look at the configuration. You remain responsible for all SOVD requests that are sent to the connected vehicle. The SOVD Explorer gives you full control over the types of requests that the AI is permitted to make. You can configure requests to be always allowed, to require manual approval, or to be disallowed. Executing operations can be dangerous, so these requests should be disallowed or manually approved, especially when connecting with an actual vehicle. With our simulation, we leave all settings on their default, except for allowing the execution of operations after explicit consent. So let's start the MCP server and enter a prompt into VS Code's chat. Provide an overview of all components and apps of the vehicle connected to the SOVD Explorer with their software and hardware versions. You can see the AI calls tools from the SOVD Explorer. We are asked to allow the first tool call. Since we manage the AI's permission in the SOVD Explorer, we can safely allow all tool calls here. Now the AI goes through the entities and reads their data items. Different entities use different names and formats for these, but the AI recognizes these differences and outputs the overview as a beautiful table. Let's look at some operations. We know that we can control the window lifters, but don't know how. Let's ask the AI, can you tell me how I can lower the windows through SOVD? The AI goes searching again. It's the power window switch on the door ECU. Let's tell the AI to lower the windows now. We must manually approve this operation in the SOVD Explorer. You remember, this is how we configured our settings earlier. The operation can't be started the first time because we need to lock the component and change the session first. The AI understands this and, after our approval, executes these steps. Now it successfully starts the operation and the window in our simulation opens. In the SOVD Explorer, we see the lock in the new Logs sidebar. We also added a Modes sidebar for a better overview. In the Door component, we see the session change to Extended. In the Trace, we can inspect all requests the AI has executed. Here's the first request trying to start the operation, which failed as there was no lock created yet. And here's the successful operation start. Combining the power of AI with our SOVD Explorer unlocks many use cases, and the limits are up to your imagination. I want to show you another example where we have the specification for the diagnostics of our ABS ECU. It describes all diagnostic requests the server is supposed to implement. Let's take this spec and ask the AI, please check the data items in my ABS requirements and verify that all data items are implemented correctly and return a response according to the specification when read. The AI reads the spec and then it sends requests to verify the functionality. A discrepancy was found where the wheel speed is modeled with just one value, while the specification requires one value for each wheel. Let's confirm this in the SOVD Explorer. We search for wheel speed. As expected, we see that there is only one field when 4 are required. Good job, AI! In this video, I showed how the SOVD Explorer is the ideal tool to make your AI agents work with SOVD. To find out more about the tool, check out the other video tutorial in the description below. If you want to stay up to date with Vector's comprehensive SOVD portfolio, as well as the expanding AI integrations, consider subscribing to the Vector Tech tutorial channel. Activate the bell to be notified.